Welcome to Edcafe, the next generation AI platform designed for educators. Edcafe streamlines your instructional planning, material generation, assessments, and interactive chatbot creation, all in one place. Begin planning your lesson by quickly generating lesson plans and slide decks, and access a wide range of teaching resources for instant inspiration. Easily create teaching materials like flashcards, vocabulary cards, images, audio, and differentiated reading activities to challenge students appropriately. Track learning progress using a variety of assessment tools, from quizzes based on any document, text, or video, to reading comprehension quizzes that all offer instant feedback from students. Lastly, keep your students engaged with chatbots, perfect for quizzes, tutoring students, conversations with characters, or even a place students can get answers to their questions. Ready to transform your classroom? Try Edcafe today.